We have with us someone who's been fighting for nearly 25 years for the rights of her community. We have with us Acharya Mahamandleshwar Lakshmi Tripathi ji. Thank you so much, Lakshmi ji, for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Ambika ji. It's an honor to be with you on this auspicious day. Thank you so much.
It's a great day. It's history. First time national awards for the transgenders. You know, from where we were, where they were living oppressed lives. Today, awards for them, felicitations and acknowledgement. From 2014, when the Supreme Court verdict to now, how has the journey been? You've been a very integral part of it.
In 2014, when the NALSA judgment came, and from there till 2021, even facing the corona pandemic, everything has been a topsy-turvy. But to tell you that the government and under the leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Ji Modi Ji, we have a transgender act, we have a transgender policy, we have so many things which we never had. This year is the 75th year of independence.
Yes.
We are celebrating our freedom, but we only got our rights in 2014 by the NALSA judgment. From there till here is big thing. We have 2 Padma awardees, but this national award, the first national award of transgender, and that too in a venue which is, I can see Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar right in front of my house, such a big statue at Dr. Baba Saheb International Center at Janpat. It is happening. It's such a beautiful thing. Because of his written constitution, he was the face who wrote the constitution, we got our rights. India is a leader in the transgender rights. And we are doing this award to facilitate people who actually worked so hard to get recognition of the trans community.
Absolutely.
So I decided to have this
In
award.
fact, Lakshmi ji, not just the awards, the way you all have done it, you know, it's even the institutions, the people who really worked behind, you know, worked for the community, even the thought to get them acknowledge their work, that's also something different.
Yeah, with me, Dr. Asma was there. So many other people came together, you know. The Birds and Bees, they powered it. Osham was sponsored it. Many other small help. Gaurav is the organization which even I am representing. It's one thing, you know. And today, NDTV became our media partner. I think so. It would be for the first time in the history of media and television that such a program, we have a media partner of, for transgender community. So hats off to your channel and your editor-in-chief. And it is such a, I'm overwhelmed. Today, my dictionary falls short of words, you know, to pour out my emotions. It is an win-win situation where today we are, you know, giving away awards to organizations who supported us. We are giving away Lifetime Achievement Award. We are giving away parents who supported the transgenders. It's for the first time in the world somewhere it is happening. It can only start from India, that we are recognizing parents who supported their trans kids.
Which is so important.
Which is so important. More than my struggle, it's my parents' struggle. We have named it Vidya Awards. You know, it's all about education. It's all about everything. Because even I lost my mother recently. Her name was Vidya.
So you dedicated the awards to her?
Yeah, I dedicated that award to her, the parents, because she came from Gorakhpur. A 16-year-old girl gets married to a man and she comes to Mumbai. She gives me birth. She stands by me from an Orthodox Brahmin family. From there till here, it has been a big journey for me also and for her also.
Yes.
My journey has been too much glorified, but the parents' journey never get glorified.
Yes.
But now it's time we have to hear both the stories. They are the unsung heroes.
In fact, like you rightly said, it's if you have your parents supporting, you know, the children, that's when the children grow, and we can see that in you. If I just ask you something, you know, your journey, it's been nearly 25 years where you've been, you know, fighting for the rights of the community. A lot has happened. Like you said, the verdict has happened. What more should be done?
Only the foundation has been laid down, no? We have to build the structure. We have to see to it that the coming generation is not begging. If they don't have any jobs, so now they are begging on the streets. If they don't have any openings, so they are selling their body. The day things becomes out of choice, that I have no one to judge, but there should be a lot of avenues open. I never thought as an Indian I would ever be a respected Indian of as a transgender woman. But I'm Acharya Mahamandleshwar. We have our own akhada in the religion.
Absolutely.
You know, today we are doing the national awards. Tomorrow we will do something else. I want to see IAS, IPS from my community. I want to see doctors. I want to see scientists from my community. I want equal right of education for trans community.
Yes.
I want people to be sensitized to understand what is trans. कि वो लांछन ना हो समाज में ना.
समझना चाहिए कि क्या
समझना
एग्जैक्टली है. थैंक यू लक्ष्मी जी, आपने हमसे बात की
धन्यवाद.
एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन द अवार्ड्स.
धन्यवाद.